Close your eyes. Open your mind. Have you ever felt like building wealth is impossible, reserved for the lucky few? Working tirelessly yet seeing your financial situation remain the same? You're not alone. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy and mindset. This guide will show you how true wealth comes from learning, applying principles, and taking control of your life. You'll discover how to make money work for you, create a legacy, and build financial freedom. Breaking poverty thinking. Poverty is not just a lack of money, it's a mindset that tells you, you cannot change, you must settle for less. Your thoughts shape your reality. Limitations bring a limited life, possibilities bring unlimited growth. Stop asking, why me, and start asking, why not me? Replace, I cannot afford it, with, how can I afford it? Your mind is your greatest asset. Train it with empowering thoughts, surround yourself with visionaries, and reject scarcity thinking. Wealth thinking means taking responsibility, learning new skills, and acting without waiting for permission. Education and financial skills. School teaches how to work for money, not how to make money work for you. Most people struggle financially because they lack financial education. Learn to manage cash flow, invest, and build assets. Understand assets versus liabilities, and focus on passive income, income that continues even when you stop working. Self-education is critical. Books, mentors, and real-life experiences are your new classrooms. Take control of your growth and stop relying solely on traditional schooling. Acquire assets, avoid liabilities. Every dollar you earn must work for you or against you. Avoid liabilities, things that drain your money, and acquire assets that generate income. Assets include rental properties, stocks, businesses, and intellectual property. Discipline and delayed gratification are essential. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Consistent, small investments compound over time. Money is a tool. Use it wisely to build independence and financial security. Wealth mindset. Wealth begins with vision, not paycheck size. The poverty mind says, if I had more money, I could change my life. The wealth mind says, if I change my life, I will have more money. Your mindset shapes your financial reality. Embrace failure as feedback, not defeat. Surround yourself with inspiration, not negativity. Think like the wealthy, see opportunities where others see problems, and take calculated action. Your journey to prosperity. Stop being a passive consumer. Become an active builder of your own empire. Feed your mind with thoughts of abundance, invest in learning, and focus on solutions. Your financial freedom depends on your choices and mindset. Start today, think like the wealthy, and watch your opportunities grow. Wealth isn't luck, it's learning, strategy, and consistent action. Begin now.